Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Today I'm going to bring you it's a woman's watch. Now let's open the box to have a look. Here is the model I will introduce you today. Let's take it out. And this is the guarantee card. And this is the manual book. Okay. Wow, this is a rose gold color. I like it favorite the color. It's a very simple and thinly thin design. This model is NF5008. You have the back case to have a look. Now here is the NF5008 model. It is a very simple design for the businesswoman. Wow, it's very beautiful. I like it. I like the small dial watch. It's very fashion and ultra simple and without the indices. Only 3 holograph hands. The mini hinge in our hand is holograph design, and this is a rose gold circle in the dial. And the dial material will use the natural shell. On 3 o'clock position is the date window, and this is the pumpkin shaped crown. This crown is to setting the time and the date. Okay, these models we got 4 colors. I will show you the next 3 colors. Okay, welcome back. These are the 4 colors. Just now I have to show you this rose gold color. And then is the blue color. It's a very elegant blue color. I think this color can make some people in a very good mood and easy to calm down. This color is very fashion. And the color of the pen is the favorite I like. It's clear to the camera to see the strap. It's amazing the polish process. The brand logo on the buckle. The buckle and this side. Wow, this design is so beautiful. I want to try it again. This color. This color is the blue color strap combined the rose gold color case, and also no indices, only 3 hands. Okay, the next color is gold color. Let's have a detailed look at the dial. We use the natural shell. And the brand logo on 12 o'clock position. The material is the stainless steel to the strap color. It's very bright gold. try it on my wrist. Wow, I look rich, a rich woman. Very bright color. Okay, the next color is the pure silver color. Also, many people like this super ultra simple design. All the colors silver. The hands, the logo, the button, the case, and even the strap are all silver. Very simple design, but it's very easy to match our clothes, the dress or skirt like this. Okay, this is all colors for today's model NF5008. If you like it, you can go to our official store to buy it. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.